Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nonstick frying pans that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the CeramiClad Hybrid Nonstick 10-inch Frying Pan. This premium option offers cutting-edge hybrid technology, combining stainless steel and nonstick functionality in a tri-ply construction. The laser-etched hexagonal design delivers the durability of stainless steel, the searing capabilities of cast iron, and the easy cleanup of nonstick, making it a versatile choice for professional and home cooks alike. In terms of design, it's built to impress. It features a stay-cool stainless steel handle and is oven-safe up to an incredible 900 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use it on any cooktop, including induction, and it's dishwasher-friendly for effortless cleaning. However, it does come with a hefty price of $149, which may not suit everyone's budget. Performance-wise, this pan excels at tasks like searing meat and sautéing veggies. But some users noted that it requires proper seasoning and maintenance to maximize its nonstick capabilities. If you're looking for a long-lasting, versatile pan that handles high-heat cooking beautifully, the CeramiClad Hybrid is worth considering. Pros: durable build, premium materials, and versatile compatibility. Cons: expensive and requires maintenance for optimal performance. At number 4, we have the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set, which includes both a 10-inch and 12-inch pan. This set is ideal for families or those who love cooking a variety of dishes. The hard anodized aluminum construction ensures durability, while the titanium non-stick coating guarantees hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Tefal's exclusive thermospot technology indicates when the pans are perfectly preheated, helping you achieve consistent results every time. The design is both practical and elegant, with riveted silicone handles offering a comfortable grip and vented tempered glass lids to retain heat and moisture. These pans are oven-safe up to 400 Fahrenheit and compatible with most stovetops, except induction. At $38.99, this set delivers great value, especially for those looking for a reliable, everyday cooking solution. In terms of performance, users praise the even heat distribution and ease of cleaning. However, the pans may show wear over time with heavy use. Pros: affordable, versatile sizes, and user-friendly features like the heat indicator. Cons: not induction compatible and may not last as long as higher-end options. At number 3 is the Sensarte Non-Stick Skillet, a deep frying pan designed for versatility. With its Swiss iLag non-stick granite coating, this pan ensures healthy cooking with minimal oil and effortless cleaning. The 10-inch size is perfect for sautéing, frying, or even simmering soups, thanks to its deep construction and convenient pour spout. The design is user-friendly, featuring a stay-cool wood-grain Bakelite handle and a tempered glass lid for monitoring your cooking progress. The sturdy die-cast aluminum core heats quickly and evenly, while the magnetic conductive base makes it suitable for all cooktops, including induction. At $29.99, this pan strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. In terms of performance, users love its versatility and ease of use, but the lower oven-safe temperature, 302 degrees Fahrenheit, limits its application for high-heat recipes. Pros: affordable, versatile design, and easy cleanup. Cons: lower oven-safe temperature and slightly heavier build than standard frying pans. Coming in at number 2 is the Tramontina Professional 10-inch nonstick frying pan, a favorite among home cooks and professionals alike. This NSF-certified pan is crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum for durability and even heat distribution, while the reinforced nonstick coating ensures effortless food release and cleanup. The design is sleek and functional, featuring a removable silicone sleeve on the stainless steel handle for oven use up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The pan is dishwasher safe and compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, though not induction. At $27.96, this pan offers professional-grade performance at a budget-friendly price. Performance-wise, the Tramontina excels in everyday cooking tasks and is praised for its durability. However, it's not ideal for induction stovetops, and some users report slight wear on the nonstick surface over time. Pros: professional quality, affordable price, and versatile compatibility. Cons: not induction compatible and occasional wear with heavy use. And finally, at number 1 is the Sensarte Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet. This budget-friendly pan is the most affordable on our list, at just $17.09, but don't let the price fool you. It punches well above its weight in terms of quality and performance. Featuring a Swiss eyelag nonstick coating, this pan ensures safe, healthy cooking and easy cleanup. The compact 9.5-inch size is ideal for small meals, omelets, and quick frying tasks. The pan's design includes a wood-grain Bakelite handle that stays cool during cooking, and its high magnetic conductive base ensures compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. The cast aluminum body is lightweight yet sturdy, and it heats evenly for consistent results. While it's oven-safe, the maximum temperature of 302 degrees Fahrenheit limits its versatility for baking or high-heat recipes, for those on a tight budget or looking for a reliable pan for everyday use. This Sensarte skillet is a fantastic option. Pros: extremely affordable, lightweight, and easy to use. Cons: lower oven-safe temperature, and smaller size may not suit larger meals. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.